Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is May, and today I'm gonna be doing a double unboxing, one from Dior and another one from Luisa. But before we do that, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the bell so you will be notified on my next video. Now without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm gonna start with this one from Luisa. So this is a true unboxing. Okay. This is my second purchase from Luisa. And in time for Valentine's Day, I got a pair of earrings and a necklace. So here is the box. So, by the way, if you want a gift box, you can purchase a gift box for 520 pesos, or roughly around $10. So here there is a card. It says Luisa and a cute note. Okay. And of course it comes with a pouch. So let's open this one. It's the heart earrings. It's so cute. So in time for Valentine's Day, that's why I got this pair of earrings. And also I love wearing heart-shaped accessories. So here is the earrings. Okay, let's see the next one. So this one is a necklace, and it is the pair of the heart earrings. This one. So here is the pair of, here is the necklace. So pretty. It's so girly. So nice. Okay, let's move on to this one. It's from Dior, and this is the receipt. This item retails at 24,000 pesos, or around $500 US dollars, and it's called a saddle card holder. So I returned my last purchase from Dior because I think it's not curvy, and I am afraid that I might scratch it soon, so better to return it. But I like the style, I like the color, but you know, I think it's not for me. So here is the one that I got. It's from Dior. This is the dust bag, and this is the saddle card holder in oblique print. The logo is it's like a matte gold, unlike the previous one that it is in a shiny gold type of hardware. So here is what it looks like. It is made in Paris. So there is a slip pocket here, and then the you can put, I think, bills here or credit cards, of course, and another slip pocket here, another one here, and at the back there is another pocket, so you can put a lot. Unlike the previous one that I got, you can put bills or notes inside. So let's try to put, I have 1 2 3 cards here, and I can put even more. Okay guys, I have cards here, and let's see how many cards will fit in my credit card holder. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, I have 10 cards here, so I'm gonna put one here. Okay, another one here, so that's 2, and then 1 2 3 4. Okay, let's put, okay, here, so that's 10 already. I have 10 cards already inside, and it still looks fine. Let's add more. So I have 4 card here, so let's put one here, another one here, and we have 2. You can still put more inside. Okay, so we have 12 cards inside and 2 cards outside the pocket. And then let's try to put a note here. Okay, so if you fold it like this, it's okay. Yeah, or you can also fold it twice like this. This is a 1,000 peso bill, Philippine money. Okay, yeah. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this quick double unboxing from Ana Luisa and Christian Dior. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!